Hello guys, welcome to Data Hacks. In this video, I'm going to explain about module system. Modules are block of encapsulated code that communicate with the external application on the basis of their related functionality. Modules can be single file or collection of multiple files or folders. This means nothing but modules will be treated as a each file will be treated as a modules, whether it is collection of files or single file. These files will communicate to the external application depend upon its functionality. So what is the use of these modules? Advantages are code reusability. We don't need to write the code again and again. We can organize the code so it will not become more complex when your application become very large. Use specific code what we want. We can call the modules only which we want to use. So we don't need to call or expose any other function which we don't need. There are three types of modules. First one is core or built-in modules. Node.js has many built-in modules that are part of this platform. Come with Node.js installation. These can be loaded into the program by using required function. So these modules are present by default in Node.js platform itself. Next, we are going to say about the local modules. Unlike built-in or external modules, local modules are created local in the Node.js application. So we can create our own modules. So developer can create his own modules according to the need. Finally, third-party modules. Third-party modules are modules that are available in a online using Node Package Manager. Some of the popular third-party modules are Express, Angular, React, Mongoose. In upcoming videos, I'm going to explain about the local modules. So you can join with me in a next video to learn about the local modules in Node.js. So quiz. So in this quiz here, please answer about the module in the comment section what you learn about modules in this video. So you can provide answer in a 2-line or 1 word. So you can get to know what you have understand about the module clearly. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. You will get the updates regularly on time.